Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to download different font and install and use it in your Microsoft Word or any other software. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to open my favorite browser and then I'm going to search here Google font and then hit enter and you will find here Google font. So whenever you are in Google font, you will see there will be 1,000 fonts uploaded by default user, different person. So if you want to use any font from here, you can choose. So example, I'm going to let me see, I'm going to download this one. So just simply select this font. So whenever you click select, it's going to select, and you can even download multiple font one together. So I'm going to again select this one. It's going to select, you can see here in this down arrow, and then I am going to choose another one. Let me see, this one. Just click here plus and it's going to select. So here you can see there's 3 familiar selectors. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to download, and it's going to immediately download in my computer. You can see here it's already downloaded. So I'm going to right click over here and then I'm going to click on show in folder, and I will see here this 3 file is with zip. So I'm going to just exit those file and then click on OK, and you can see here 3 folder because I was choosing 3 font. So I'm going to use here and I'm going to install all of them. You have to choose this and then click here install, and it's going to be installed. So already you can see it's installed, and you can also install by one. Also this font also you can install. Right click over there and then click on install, and it will be installed. Make sure that which font you install, you may know the name so you can easily find out. I'm going to even install this one. Right click and install. Now these 3 font already installed in my computer. Now I'm going to open Microsoft Word, and then I'm going to see is it appear in Microsoft Word or not. I'm going to choose a blank document, and then I'm going to type here my channel name, tips and trick, and then I'm going to change this font, those that I was download. So for that I'm going to choose this, select this letter, and then I'm going to in my keyboard Ctrl Shift P, so it will appear font section. So here I have to find out that particular font, but make sure that which font it was installed. I was installed Popinis, Ninto and Robot Slab. So I'm going to choose this Popinis. So I'm going to type here P, just here fonts. I'm going to type here P, and I will find here P related all the text style. So I'm going to choose here, this was my Popinis. So I'm going to choose here Popinis, and then I'm going to choose the size, and I'm going to click on OK, and you can see immediately that what is changed with that latest Popinis. So all over however a name it was added, all will be appear here. You can choose from here easily, and before I was installed this shadow into light, also you can see it's appear here. So this is how easily you can download font from Google Font, and easily you can use in Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe After Effects, anywhere. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.